Hello everyone. Welcome back to the QQQ vs QLD Challenge channel. It's the evening of December 5th, 2024, and it's time for our monthly check-in. Let's discuss how our investments in QQQ and QLD have been performing and review what's happening in the broader markets. Starting with market performance, the past month has been impressive, particularly for tech-heavy indices. Just today, QQQ hit an all-time high of $524 and is now trading around $521. This remarkable strength has been building since the March 2023 Golden Cross, where the 50-day simple moving average SMA crossed above the 200-day SMA. This bullish signal marked the start of a sustained uptrend, with QQQ repeatedly respecting its 200-day SMA as a strong support level. Since the Golden Cross, QQQ has tested this support multiple times. Each dip toward the 200-day SMA was met with buying demand, pushing prices higher. This behavior, combined with QQQ's resilience, suggests that the uptrend is intact. The strong performance this month underscores the importance of these technical levels in guiding market expectations. Let's take a look at some broader market trends. As reported yesterday, December 4, 2024, U.S. stock markets surged to record highs. The Dow Jones Industrial Average surpassed the 45,000 mark for the first time in history, closing at a new high. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite also achieved fresh all-time highs, reflecting widespread investor optimism. Key to this rally was the performance of major tech companies, which experienced significant gains throughout the day. Adding to the positive sentiment, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell provided a strong endorsement of the U.S. economy's health. During a speech, he highlighted that the economy is in remarkably good shape, which further boosted investor confidence. Powell's comments fueled expectations that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates at its upcoming December meeting, aiming to sustain the economic momentum and support the ongoing growth. This combination of robust tech performance and positive economic outlook underpinned a highly bullish market environment, contributing to the record-setting day on Wall Street. Now, let's move on to our stock comparison. QQQ. Currently priced at $521, it's up about 28% from its 2021 peak of $408. With its steady gains and resilience, QQQ continues to show its strength as a core ETF. QLD. Trading at $113, QLD has gained about 20% from its 2021 peak of $94. As a 2x leveraged ETF tracking QQQ, it reflects the amplified performance of its underlying index. TQQQ. TQQQ is trading at $85, still 6% below its 2021 high of $91. However, it has shown gradual recovery. In terms of our December investments, here's where we stand. For QQQ, we've invested a total of $3,200 to date, with a total return of about 11%, equivalent to a gain of approximately $350. Our average cost per share is around $470. On November 6, I added 0.198 shares at $504. For QLD, we've also invested $3,200, but the returns here are higher at 19%, translating to a gain of approximately $608. Our average cost per share is $95. Similarly, on November 6, right after buying QQQ, I purchased 0.938 shares at $106. This demonstrates the expected relationship between QQQ and QLD, with QLD's returns roughly double those of QQQ, consistent with its 2x leverage objective. Since May 2024, we've stuck to our plan of investing $100 or more into each ETF monthly and will continue this approach for the next 30+ years. Let's review our guiding principles. 1. Consistent monthly investment. Every month for the next 30+ years, $100 goes into both QQQ and QLD without exception. 2. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. This approach smooths out market volatility, allowing us to accumulate shares steadily over time. 3. No sales. We're holding all shares for the long term, avoiding short-term market noise. 4. No margin trading. We only invest with our own money to keep our strategy safe and focused. While QQQ and QLD's performance has been strong, it's essential to stay disciplined. Our challenge is about building wealth over decades, not reacting to short-term movements. That's it for this month's update. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Remember, this channel is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Always tailor your investments to your unique goals and risk tolerance. Thanks for joining me, and happy investing. See you next time.